How to download TikTok back if you have deleted. Let's get started. The very first method is to head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Once you're in here, search for TikTok. Wait for a while for it to load. Now head over to the very first site. Tap on Open TikTok. From here, if you do not have TikTok on your device, it will lead you to your Play Store or an App Store. From there, you can click on Download and then install it on your device. The next method is to head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for VPN. From here, you can download any of the preferred VPN. Click on Download. Now wait for a while for it to install. Once it has been installed on a device, tap on Open. Now you have to click on Fastest Location at the top. In this page, search for the country where the TikTok is available, and then click on it. Tap on Allow. It will open up your settings. Once the VPN is connected, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then try searching for the app TikTok. It should be available to you. Tap on Install and then install it on a device. If it is not working for you, then what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. In the search bar, search for region. Head over to this option. Tap on region or the country. From here, you have to change the country and set it to the one where TikTok is available. Once done, try installing the TikTok from Play Store or an App Store. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download TikTok back if you have deleted. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.